Well, it's Sunday morning, and I'm going to try to start this bike. If I can get it started, I'm going to take it for a test ride. So it's been sitting since the last time I started it. You saw that video. And I'm going to try it again. So I've got my long pants on, got my kicking boots on, got my riding jacket on the bench over there, and my helmet on the wall. So let's see if I can get this thing started. Gas and good tickle. Power's on. Tachometer's weird. Well, maybe some miles will make a difference, but I doubt it. Alright, well, since I'm here by myself, this is as much as I can do as far as video goes. So I'll take it outside, do the test ride, come back and do a follow-up. Okay, bike is outdoor idling. I'm going to put the helmet and my gloves on, go out and ride it. I'm going to take this phone with me because I ain't going nowhere on just a bike without a phone. Well, I'm back. And it's nice. I did our traditional, it's about 1.5 miles, test ride, into the block, up the hill, across Skyline Drive, down over by the Phoenix Preserve, down to Southwest Gas, and then back up and across Lower Skyline Drive, Baseline Drive, and back down to the house. All 4 gears, the Lower Baseline Drive, I was able to go through the gears 1, 2, 3, 4 rapidly and got the bike up to about 50, 55 miles an hour before I ran out of road. Rear brake is good. Front brake is great. Rear brake, the old mechanics creed, get some miles on it, let it settle in. Well, maybe so. Brand new brake shoes. There's no reason why. Well, actually, it's good for 60-year-old British motorcycle. 50 some odd year. So now I'm going to put it on the lift. I'm going to lower the angle a little bit of both the front brake and the clutch. They're sitting a little high for my taste, so I'm going to lower them down just a little bit. Tachometer is working, sort of, maybe possibly. What it's done is it's picked out a new base. This is 0, and it goes up and down from this 0. I don't know. Well, each time I do that, that's cool. I don't know, maybe some more miles. Maybe it's just sat for a long time. Keep going, baby. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Well, there you go, 0. I don't know. We'll see what happens when I start it again. Speedometer works just fine. This thing has 1,180 miles on the speedometer. So neither of these were new. They were both good condition used, but they're not new. No dripping oil at this point in time. Reason the bike came in, it was losing a lot of oil out of the pushrod tubes, and not so far. So at this time, I'm going to declare the bike done. I'm going to lower these levers. Gonna lower the levers, do 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 do, and let the client have it. Huh. Well, is this not a cool helmet? Yep. Okay, I'm going to take it inside. Okay, the bike is up on the lift. I've got it lifted up on my spiffy new flat jack. And I'm going to put some paper towels under it, let it sit overnight, and see how it goes. I checked the rear wheel and it spins beautifully. And I'm holding the camera so I really can't. Yeah, I can. I'll get the tripod. Scooby Dooby Dooby. There you go, you are now tripoded. It's tight as a drum. All right. Yeah, boy. Front wheel felt great when I pulled it in. I'm going to double check the air in the tires and call the bike done.